Can a simple hair remedy really fill bald spots and trigger visible growth in just 10 days? Honestly, I didn't believe it either, until I tried this powerful mix made from 2 basic ingredients, cloves and fresh aloe vera. My thinning areas started filling in faster than I expected, and the results shocked me. Everyone I shared this remedy with came back with amazing transformations. Their hair didn't just grow longer. It became fuller, thicker, and noticeably stronger. This is why this treatment is perfect for anyone struggling with thinning hair or patchy alopecia. I'll also show you the before and after pictures. Anyone who uses this tonic consistently sees thicker strands, boosted root volume, and drastically accelerated hair growth. And the best part, you don't need expensive or chemical-filled products. Every ingredient is already in your kitchen. These simple natural healers can double or even triple your hair growth rate. If you have small bald patches, this formula can help activate those dormant follicles. But you must apply it exactly as I show you, so make sure you watch the entire video without skipping, so you don't miss any important steps. This is how you achieve soft, shiny, fast-growing hair. First, you'll need cloves, about 2 tablespoons. Why cloves? Because they're rich in eugenol, a natural compound that boosts blood circulation in the scalp and stimulates the roots. This circulation is what accelerates hair growth. Add the cloves into the container you'll be using. Cloves don't just help your hair grow. They soften and strengthen your strands, making them easier to manage. Now fill a glass with pure water, and let's move to the second ingredient. Place your pan on the stove and turn the heat to a low-medium setting. Heating the cloves releases their active compounds faster. The warmer the water gets, the stronger the infusion becomes, and this is what gives the tonic its deep, rich color. Cover it and allow it to simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. Keep it covered so the ingredients infuse fully. When you remove the lid, you'll notice how concentrated the mixture has become. Continue boiling until the water reduces noticeably. Now add a teaspoon of rosemary leaves. Rosemary is a powerful double booster. It improves blood flow and helps maintain your natural hair shade. If your hair is long but lacks volume, this ingredient is essential. It makes the hair thicker, denser, and stronger, giving it body and fullness. Next, add black seeds, kalonji or nigella seeds. These penetrate deep into the hair shaft and address scalp issues from the root. Thanks to their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, they quickly calm dandruff, irritation, and other scalp concerns. They also enhance your hair color and blend perfectly with the effects of cloves. Used together, the results are truly surprising. By now, your mixture should have simmered for about 20 to 25 minutes. The water should be reduced to half a glass, and the infusion should be dark and rich. Turn off the stove, cover the pot, and let it cool completely for 1.5 to 2 hours. Once cooled, strain it. You'll see how intense the color has become. This is exactly what gives amazing results. Next is fresh aloe vera gel, the clearest, purest you can find. You might think aloe vera is only for moisturizing, but it does much more than that. It contains proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp and soothe irritation. Instead of adding it during the boiling process, we will mix the aloe vera gel at the very end, after the tonic has been strained and completely cooled. This way, the gel keeps all its natural healing properties. When blended with the clove and herb infusion, it boosts moisture, reduces dryness, calms the scalp, and enhances hair growth even more. The first method is the daily growth treatment. Apply the tonic directly to your roots with a dropper or cotton ball, focusing on bald spots. Do this twice a day, morning and evening. Massage gently for 4 minutes using the inversion method to boost circulation. It won't make your hair greasy, so you won't need to wash it daily. The second method is the color mask. When preparing your natural dye like henna, mix some of this tonic into it. Apply the mask, leave it on for an hour, and wash your hair. Do this once or twice a month to help with gray hair. The third method is the shampoo booster. On wash day, mix a few spoons of the tonic with your regular shampoo. This will protect your color, reduce damage, and maintain fast growth. Store the tonic in a sealed container for 3 to 4 weeks. Safe for all ages. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And remember, take the 10-day challenge. See you in the next video, inshallah.